In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new signature in DocuSign with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a refresher on how to keep your digital signatures up to date, we're here to walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be more than ready to create and manage your signatures smoothly. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the DocuSign homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering DocuSign.com into the address bar. If you already have a DocuSign account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you don't, you'll need to create an account first. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the page where you'll find options to navigate. You'll want to focus on Manage Profile. Next, click on Manage Profile to open your profile settings. This is where you can access all your personal DocuSign settings and customization options. Once the profile settings page is open, locate the Signatures option. This section is dedicated to all of your digital signatures, allowing you to create, edit, or remove them as you see fit. Click on Signatures to proceed. Upon opening the Signatures page, you'll see any signatures you've created in the past. To add a new one, look for the ADD Signature button. It's generally easy to spot and positioned prominently to help you quickly find it. Go ahead and click on ADD Signature. This button will allow you to either upload your signature or create a new one using a variety of tools provided by DocuSign. After clicking ADD Signature, you'll be prompted with options to create your signature. You can choose to draw it with a stylus or mouse, upload an image of your handwritten signature, or simply type it in and select a style that suits your preference. Each option has its benefits, so choose the one that feels most comfortable and effective for your use case. For instance, uploading a clear image of your handwritten signature offers a personal touch for formal documents. Once you've made your choice and satisfied with how your signature looks, you'll want to finalize this by clicking on the Create button. And that's it. You've created a new signature in DocuSign. It's ready to be used in your future documents, enhancing both your efficiency and professional presentation. Remember, a strong digital signature strategy in today's digital environment is not only about convenience, but also about security and authenticity. Be sure to periodically revisit and update your signatures as needed to reflect any changes or to improve clarity. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.